we're now offering our bar charts in our summary reports. So if you just jump down to that Publish tab, I've created one and I'm going to select Edit. And once you scroll down, you can now see that bars is an option. And so all you have to do, like the other visualizations, toggle that on and then make sure that you go into the settings and just select what you want to show, and as well whether you want to include those comments or themes. Scroll down to the bottom, select Save, and we can take a look at these new the new bars visualization. One thing that I actually learned today is in, I think, just a couple days. Shelley, you could correct me if I'm wrong. I think Thursday, we're actually going to give you the ability to toggle between the views now in the bars visualization. So you can see it generates using the total thoughts. And very soon you're going to be able to toggle between the views. So that is a nice little feature. And one thing I would just say about the bars, this is what we keep hearing from customers, is it's just a really familiar and intuitive visualization for participants. This is especially true if you want to show the difference in theme size. It can be a really great way to illustrate that when you're sharing out your results. So there you have it. It's now available in the summary report. And of course, as always, we're going to be making some improvements very soon.